Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to introduce you to a simple and special dish that you can prepare at home. Today, we are going to teach you how to make stuffed bell peppers. Here are the ingredients you'll need for stuffed bell peppers. For bell peppers, any color you prefer, 1 pound ground beef, 1 cup cooked rice, 1 onion, diced, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 cup tomato sauce, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste, shredded cheese, cheddar or mozzarella. For topping, let's get started with the recipe. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Cut the tops off the bell peppers and remove the seeds and membranes from the inside. Rinse them under cold water and set aside. In a skillet, cook the ground beef over medium heat until browned. Drain any excess fat, add the diced onions and minced garlic to the skillet and cook until the onions are translucent. Stir in the cooked rice, tomato sauce, dried oregano, dried basil, salt, and pepper. Cook for a few minutes until well combined. Stuff each bell pepper with the beef and rice mixture, packing it in tightly. Place the stuffed bell peppers in a baking dish and cover with foil. Bake in the preheated oven for 30 minutes. Remove the foil, sprinkle shredded cheese on top of each bell pepper, and bake for an additional 10 minutes or until the cheese is melted and slightly golden. Carefully remove the stuffed bell peppers from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Serve the stuffed bell peppers hot and enjoy. That's it. You now have a delicious and special dish ready to be enjoyed. We hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes. Happy cooking!